Automated Healthcare Processing, AHP, simplifies CMS and EAR requirements. AHP encrypts and loads HL7 and healthcare data into FHIR. Our GUI allows patients to download encrypted PHI and receive a Decryption app for viewing their data, or the patient may choose to view requested data on their screen. At this time, the patient may also grant consent to others to view or receive their data. Once a CSV formatted file containing the patient's encrypted PHI is created, AHP builds a single patient decryption app. For security, all are securely transmitted to the patient. The Decryption app and master key has no association with any other patient files and will not be stored by AHP. When a business, healthcare institution or patient searches for a patient's PHI, additional information may be requested to ensure the proper patient is selected. Healthcares may also send patients their data, securely. AHP-Proxy allows authorized apps access to encrypted FHIR data. The patient can start with minimal personal information or narrow in quicker with more information. With just a first name, they are warned more than one patient record found when asking for a search and will also receive the same message asking to download their data. This keeps patients from accessing other patients' data along with their personal FHIR stored encrypted data. Now the patient adds additional information, selects the search icon, and is returned just one record and can see the data in an unencrypted normal display mode. Now the patient is allowed to download their patient data from FHIR. A zip file will be created and downloaded, and the patient's CSV file with their data will be securely encrypted. Within the zip file are apps that will securely decrypt the patient's data for their viewing and use. Here, we open up the CSV file and can see that the patient's FHIR personal data is securely encrypted. Now the patient simply runs an application that was sent in the zip download, and this application decrypts the patient's CSV data in the file. This application will only work with this patient's current download and no other patient's data. As we open what was an encrypted CSV file, we now see the application decrypted the data and it is now viewable and usable by the patient. We are now viewing the returned patient information as a hospital or healthcare facility with authority would be allowed to. Now the operator can ask additional information of the patient to narrow down to the specific patient. Then the operator will be able to send the patient their requested information stored in FHIR. See our prior posts and videos on our automated migration of HL7 messages and other healthcare data directly into FHIR's database schemas.